The first one wasn't good enough?
No!
Alright. Give me 1 second. What is good? It's your boy Mikey Will here, dropping another little urban surround free ride kind of thing. So show you guys my little bit of skills just riding through the streets, you know what I'm saying? Without getting in trouble by the police, you feel me? Usually when you're silent, you ain't got no problems. But alright, here we go. Little warm up joint. Here we go.
YouTube. Mikey Will, I got some stuff by.
Oh. Alright, yeah. Just back with another urban little street ride stuff. Yeah, make sure if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button, boy. Woo. Can we hit the bend? Oh. Woo. Yeah, don't mind my. I don't even know what song I'm singing in this, but yo, whenever you see just the wheel kinda and no handlebars, that's a knee knocker because my camera angle is not right. Where we going? It's like almost there, but I don't know. I gotta work on it a little bit because I'm using like a mount. It's like a little bucket helmet now.
Stunt lot action, real quick.
I'm losing it, guys. That was one whole circle, not bad. Alright, let's take this thing to the streets now. I'm gonna park in that BS. Oh, one thing I should definitely say, yo, Bikelife comes in different shapes and forms and stuff like that. Look at me, I'm on a bike with a battery and it's just ripping wheelies and stuff. People don't even know what's going on. People don't even hear me coming through the neighborhoods and stuff. But yeah, make sure you got ride, yo. Bike for everybody. You feel me? I'm about to crack one right now. Like when people see me reeling and stuff, they generally don't hear me, but like not to be confused with I make zero noise at all. Like there's still road noise, still wind noise. There's still the chain, still chain noise, excuse me. But yeah, they see me hitting the knee knock, I have to look down, show you guys what's up. Because you know, passing the high school and stuff like that. This is not the high school I went to, this is the next town over high school. It's just like a small community, they ain't really mad tight streets in there, no one really messing around. I see kids playing with scooters and bikes and quads and a bunch of stuff all the time around here, so everyone's used to seeing this kind of stuff. This ain't nothing new. Maybe kids wheel a whole couple blocks on an e-bike or something a little new though. I know there's other kids over there looking like, yo. Yeah, we're just going through side streets right now, and I ain't even trying to get noticed out here. Let's see what's going on now. What is that? What the hell? That thing is crazy. What? What is that? I've never seen that before. It's clearly electric. It's got like a full helmet, a bogan and stuff. That's crazy. I don't think I've ever been down this road. Train tracks and ish. Oh, doggo, cat. So we don't skip that truck. I know I've said this a billion times before, but if you get the Surron, get the 72 volt kit. It is amazing. It is night and day. Night and day. That's all I'm gonna say about that. But yeah, first of all, I love riding Surron. So much fun. It's literally like a feeling like no other. I see how Surron should be going mad hard. It makes so much sense. But you actually commented on my TikTok. I mean, I should probably post that in the video, but it doesn't even matter. These guys, they've never seen nothing like this before. They're like, yo, it's the future right here, boy. I know they saw me hitting the wheelie down the street. I was going for so long. I'll never get some people, dude. Going so slow. What did I say, 9 miles an hour? No tail right out too. Yes, sir. Gotta play it out. You feel me? Little look back, make sure don't see no police. You don't get no reckless driving ticket. I'm like, ain't no reckless when I got full control, but another reckless driving, let alone I don't know. You don't need a license to ride these, so it's just a gray area. So that's why in New Jersey, it's really weird because you go to your local PD, sheriff's office, your county, whatever. And they all have the same answer. It's usually I don't know. Or go ask the DMV or go ask these guys or they always trying to pass the buck. I don't know. I wish I had more answers for everybody, but until then I'm just riding this thing like it's a normal bike. So, but they don't know that it's got some serious juice in there. 15 kilowatt capable. Obviously I'm not going that fast because 15 kilowatt is
that's the one thing
over 65 miles an hour. I am not trying to go that fast. That's way too fast.
Second of all, a lot of people don't know the difference between an e-bike and what's legal and what's not. I'm not gonna tell you. I mean, you guys know if you've been following me and all this stuff. You guys know how much my stuff is putting out, you know. But for the average Joe, they don't know that. They might think this is 750 watts. I'm not talking about. RV got a beer, man. That's weird. Stop. Why are you being so weird? Yeah, most of the time when I hit the streets, it's just to just rip wheelies where people aren't, just so I can get better and stuff, have more fun. Occasionally, where I live, it can just turn from grass to pavement or pavement to grass. There's a bunch of on and off road trails. Obviously, if you know thing. But other than that, it just feels good. Because you're not getting really harassed, which is awesome. And two,
it's just, it's not even that it's new, it just feels so refined to the point where you can have so much fun continuously and just get as many reps as you want. Like, especially for me, I built my own battery. I know what it's capable of, I know what it's not capable of. And to just be able to go out and rip for 2 hours and come back with still more than half a charge is wild to me, you know? I mean, obviously, when you get into the lower voltages, the power doesn't feel as super torquey, but that's what it is. What it is. I mean, if you're doing slow wheelies, it'll still come right up. But obviously, when it's more closer to like 90%, it has a different effect of how strong the pop will be. You can be 150 pounds, you can be 250 pounds, it'll still throw you in there so fast. That's a clear example of me just riding out a super long knee knocker. Start chasing at the end. I'm not too proud of that, but still feels good to just get out here. Like, I don't get a chance to make these kind of videos. These kind of videos I be looking for people. I'm like, I just want to see how they ride, see how they wheelie, see like where they live, you know? Like, I'm not trying to come to your city. Like, unless like you invite me there, we can ride together. Right now I got 0 Surron friends. I wish I had some more. Saw some deer. Whew. Alright guys, probably the end of the video right here. About to make it back home. Forearms are kind of sore. This is a small video for the gram. I ain't for the gram, for the tool. Got some big machinery right here if you guys looking for it. Manville, New Jersey. Alright, any cars coming? Let's do it. Let's see what we can do here for the gang. Come on. Alright. Bend one. I can get bend too. Woo! It's all good though. The first one wasn't good enough? No! Alright, give me 1 second. You know I have to show off for the kids. Hopefully this little homie's like that. Whoa. That was good? Nice, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. I like the crazy carts too. I like those a lot. Those are real fun. I'll see you guys. Yo, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Got more content coming soon. Peace.